Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Indian coin. What's the current price of Indian coin? What's the price change so in the Indian coin? And in this video, I will show you, friends. And in this video, we also discuss the price change so in the Indian coin. But before starting this interesting video, I will request everyone to please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. I know you are subscribed my channel, so that is why I want to thank you so much, everyone. Thanks once again, my friends, for subscribing AB's Tech channel. Let's move on and let's start the video, friends. My friends, if we talk about the latest price of the Indian coin, so you can see here 1.69 USD dollar is the latest price of the Indian coin. On the other side, if we look the price changes of Indian coin, so you can see here that the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is only negative, except after last 1 week, the last 1 hour, last 1 day pricing is going positive. So I'm very happy to see this kind of positive changes occur in the Indian coin. What do you think, my friends? Tell me in the comment box. I'm feeling very positive about Indian coin, and my prediction is 100% positive. Let's see, my friends, the price chart, what's going on in the Indian coin. You can see here, and that is the last 1 month price chart of the Indian coin. If you look, the price changes occurs in the Indian coin in the last 1 month. So negative 32.16% changes occur in the Indian coin, and you can see here in the start of month the price of the Indian coin is start falling down. You can see here the whole month the price of the Indian coin is fast down, and in the start of in the last 2 days from the yesterday, the price change again start positive. Price change is positive and price move upper. So that is why, my friends, I recommend for everyone, my personal suggestion is that it's time to hold, friends. For instance, my friends, if you decide to sell Indian coin, so you are in the loss because the last 1 month price is negative, so you are in the loss. And if you decide to hold, so maybe there is a lot of chances to they take a jump in the future, friends. So that is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Indian coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.